Hey guys, welcome to Sunny Bermuda. In today's video, it's going to be a short video on how to change the belts on an Allett C24 here. The real drive belts. As I was doing my yearly spring cleaning and maintenance on the machine, changing the oil, greasing all the Zerg fittings and all, I noticed something about the belts. So let me take this cover off and show you what I found. But first, let's gather our tools up. I'm going to replace the two real drive belts with two new belts. And you'll probably need a 1/2 inch socket to remove these two nuts and gain access to the belts behind this cover. So let's take this off. Also, one side note before I get taking this off, I use Super Clean. I love this stuff for cleaning all my gear up. I'll show you a close-up Super Clean. This stuff's amazing. Works great cleaning up tools. Also cleaning your tires on your vehicle. I love this here, the foam. This is actually foaming in an aerosol type can. It's really good to, if you have some really hard baked on grease to spray it on, let it soak good, and then just wipe it off clean. So let's get this taken off. That popped right off. Have immediate access to the belts. This, as I said earlier, the engine drives this pulley here. As you can see, it goes through to the engine and it routes around here and comes on down, and this actually drives the real mechanism. As you can see right down in there, that's where the cartridge system slides into that connection down there, and it is driven by this belt here. But as I was cleaning this up, I was wiping it down, I noticed the belt. Let's see if I can pull it down. Now you see this? Yeah, this belt is getting ready to snap. I'll get a close-up of it. That one also has a nice gash in it. Not sure where the gash happened or anything, but we'll take that off and we will put new belts on. Okay, let's look at the flow of this belt. It comes up, hits this knob here, or this is basically a support, belt support. Comes around the top pulley, hits this belt support as well, comes around, comes down, hits this belt support, basically keeps the belt on, keeps it spinning. And then down here you can see the belt is kind of wrapped around this pulley, and it's got a belt guard that goes all around the bottom, so you won't be able to just slide this belt out easily without having to really cut the belt to get it out. But we'll have to take this whole guard out so that we can rerun the belt and wrap it through the whole system here. Okay guys, I got everything set up here. I got this loosened so I can wrap the belt around here up under this, and also I got this basically your I guess you can call it your retention clip for the belt. And then that's it, just those two. That loosened this one, took this one out so I can fold it down. And we got two belts. Let me show you the names of them. These actually came from England. I think I got them off eBay, but they are OEM parts is what they claim. So we'll go ahead and slap these on. There we go. We got one on. Now we'll put the second one on. This one should be a little easier. Well, let's see. Oh, I didn't hold this up. Let me take this off real fast because it goes on top like that. I'll put it back on. There we go. And we'll tighten that up. I believe that is a 10 millimeter. Let's see, yeah, 10. And what happens is when you pull your level up there, or your lever, it engages it like that. It pushes against it and kicks off the reel and starts spinning it. That's all there is to it. So we'll just put everything back together, tighten up everything, put the bolt back through here, and pin it up. So we'll just tighten this up, get it snug. Basically this, I call it a belt tensioner, and it also helps keep the belt on the pulley here. So we'll tighten this up with the same 10 millimeter. All right, let me go ahead and pull the cable and show you what it looks like. That engages it. As you can see, it's nice and loose. And then it engages, it tightens it up, and should pull it. If not, if it starts slipping, then we may need to do some adjustments, but that should be perfect. While this is open, I'll inspect the chain, and the chain looks really good. You can see it turning. I'll clean it up some, wipe off some grease, and and spray it down as well. Just do a little maintenance on it. Wipe it off good. See a little grease on it. It's already pretty clean from when I cleaned it the other day, when I found the belts were all butchered, or not really butchered, but damaged. All right, got it clean. Now there we go. All right, now we will just put this on and button it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on how to replace your belts. It's really simple. So you guys have a great day. If you hadn't liked and subscribed, be sure and hit that like button, and also subscribe. Got a lot of cool videos coming up and planned. Guys, hope you have a great day.